So I got my new Alpha 225 XI TIG welding machine today. I'm not going to be able to show you how to run it because it requires 35 amps, 240. And in this paragraph, it says it needs clean power or less than 5% THD for total harmonic distortion. In other words, that's fancy talk for saying most generators have a modified sine wave, and this thing requires pure sine wave. I wanted to bring the attention because I saw several people who had bought one of these, and it's really affordable. And from all the reviews I saw, it looks to be a pretty capable unit. But I saw a sticker on this back that said "Made in China." Apparently, either this one was not made by the Chicoms, or the Chicoms simply put a sticker on it that says "Made in Philippines" to appease people like myself who do not like to buy from China. Now, I can't show you how to use it because the generator I need to run it is $5,000, which will take me about a year, maybe two, to save up money. And I also wanted to make this video for one other reason. It comes with the gas hose kinked. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. This is my patent pending camera stand. This is how I pretty much make all my videos because I'm poor and you use what you got. Oh, I got to show you how this guy. We're going to use that guy to heat the PVC hose up. It's 243 400 units. There's like almost 500 degrees freedom. So we're just going to heat this guy up to remove the kink. Not the kind of kink that comes with zipper masks and leather boots, but the kind that prevents flow of gases through a hose, especially PVC. Just heat it up, squeeze it back into its normal proportion, let it cool down. It had about 5 or 6 of those kinks in there, and as you can see, there was one there. As you can see, I've pretty much restored it. There was one there, back to its normal environment of being round and mostly straight. So once I buy the generator, I'll be able to actually try this thing out, and that'll definitely be sometime in 2026. I hope not, but hopefully not 2027, because after all, $5,000 is a lot of money. All right, so stick with me. I'll show you how this thing works. I'll give you my opinions on it, but it's gonna be a little while. All right, have a great day. It's Saturday. Enjoy your pomegranate and rum in your mason jar because I'm that poor.